Yep. So
Wait.
good morning, everyone. So I will record the MI1 phone WhatsApp campaign. So wait, I'm opening the card. It's slowing down. Okay. So the update is in the cover. So currently there's no activity update from upper panel since the next update cycle is on Wednesday. And for the leads itself, I have able to convert to leads from Uluwatu area, which is from Grace canvassing. And right now the friction that on me and Wayana is that the leads are currently hard to contact right now due to Christmas holiday, and we don't know yet if they're still hard to contact until the New Year's because it's still a holiday. But me and Wayana will try to contact the leads again for today by today to see their response, and I think. The update from me is just that. Back to Miss Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Aldo, for the update. Will anyone have any like concern or question regarding this board? Maybe Mas Rizal and have any thoughts or Wayana?
Okay, from I have a question, Ms. Chair. So, at the MI1 campaign, I see a lot of leads from Grace and also Rahma that coming in, right? But yeah, as we can see, there's a lot of also, not a lot of, but one or two are the leads are being done to convert to temporary deals. But I didn't see is the Aldo or Mawayana to have a mention to mention BI team to post it on Facebook, or uh, basically is there any have person that assigned to mention the BI team?
Oh, from me, if the deal already converted, I mentioned it direct myself to Naufal.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay,
Yep.
okay.
I don't know about
Yep. Basically, I also mentioned. Basically, I mentioned Lilis, and also I mentioned Mas Rizal and Mawayana to let them know if it's ready to convert on the leads countdown board. So the BI team can move it to the outsourcing leads and post it on
Hmm.
Facebook.
Okay, I think just that for me. Back to Miss Chair.
Okay. Anyone else have any like question, or can we move on to the next board? Okay, I think we can just move on to MI.
I think Grace have a question.
Wait,
Oh,
I
okay, okay,
I have
sorry, sorry.
something.
Yeah, because I was scrolling
Okay.
through the
Uh,
board. All right, okay, Grace.
are there any properties that's been moved to outsourcing? Maybe this week or last week or last 2 weeks.
yeah, there is a Blue Maya.
And then
That's at the moment, but the other one is uh ready to go, but actually from us it's not worth it the effort. It was Villa Adi. It's supposed to be the entire villa, but the one of the brothers decided to stay in. Actually, that's your lead, Grace. Am I correct?
mm,
And then so they want to share the room, but yeah, I talked to Aldo and then just to have me one time, but I don't think it's the priority at the moment. So yeah, that's our decision. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mayana. Uh, Maybe Mas Gani.
Okay, my question will be, I see that Lila and Rahma and also Grace give so many leads, yeah. But what is the current friction from Aldo? Why apa the temporary deal is increase to 2, or what is your friction actually?
Yep.
Or what can we improve in the future so more the flow more efficiently? Gitu.
Yep. Maybe from me. So before for Rahma and Lila is that the updates. I don't see the update on the leads countdown board. So I found it hard to find the contacts. And for the Friday update, I mentioned Rama and Lila to help me on moving the context to leads countdown board. But other than that, the friction is the one that I stated here, that the leads are right now it's currently hard to contact due to the holiday season. So yeah, I think the friction right now is that.
All right, thank you, Kak Aldo and Mas Kioni. I think at the same time, like for me personally, the last leads that I had, it's they haven't gotten back to me as well, so I couldn't really like update it to the phone database. So because I'm not really sure if they're willing or not at the moment. But yeah, maybe moving on to the next board, which is I7. So maybe I would give the floor to Mas Rizal to give us on the update.
Okay, thank you, Lila. Okay, so from my update, basically it's from I want to give update from the sales and business candidate first. So the update from them is basically they just finished the trial program, and then long story short, these two candidate is basically not have a sharp business person, but yeah they only yeah it is like a very basic person basically. And from the pairing, it is like presentation project from their side is she is data driven person. She give apa namanya, she give a project that basically it's we are doing right now, which is improve the MQL at the first stage for the field canvasser, and then convert the temporary partner to exclusive partner. But also the lacking from her is basically she cannot think of from the business perspective, so she cannot explain what is growth mean, and she cannot explain what is the thrive mean without we have to work with the temporary partner first. And that's from there. And then from the Bunny side, he is very mediocre person. At the first he cannot do the sales basically. He cannot act like take it until you make it, but I have to explain it first to him. And then from his project presentation, he only explain about idea, but the idea is not very actionable. Yeah, but basically that's the summary of the candidate from sales and BD full-time hire. But I will have some discussion with Mayana regarding the follow-up of this candidate. And other than that, from the activity itself, from the field canvassing, there's Arif. It is from freelancer from Jogja. Basically, he will start by today, but yeah, let's see if he work or not by today. And so yeah, from the Jogja side, I'll change the strategy from temporary hire to freelancer again, because Jogja is not very prioritized at 1221. And then from Bali, it is still temporary hire because we still prioritize the Bali market at the next year. Yeah, I think just that. And from the activity itself, it is zero activity from A and B funnel. But from the C funnel, I believe Mawayana is working on follow up the Villa in Bingin and also Villa Monica, ya, Mo, ya?
Yeah.
Yep. Over to Mawayana, is there any update from that?
Oh, so basically, I think for Monica, he said, "Oh, I will get back to you after New Year," and she said like not. She was wishing finish by Christmas, but her villa is not finished yet. But she will get back to me after New Year. But I just get you heads up, guys. I think a lot of people like during this holiday for 2 weeks from Christmas till New Year will be not much respond because yeah, if the people is in holiday mood like one a year kind of thing. So you're gonna expect not much update from us. But I will give update the one today that give update, but from like 4 days, and I don't get good quality response yet. It's just like I think they are not in the mood.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mawayana. And from the next strategy, basically, I still want to I want to gather information from the other candidate also. So it is like a test how to improve our field canvassing system right now. So this is like a test. It can be test for the next candidate. So it is very interesting, and yeah, I think this that to Miss Cha.
All right. Thank you, Mas Rizal, for the update. Does anyone have maybe input for this particular board, maybe, or questions? Or all right, I think we can just move on. MI3. And I would like to give the floor to Mas Gani.
Okay,
Really
thank you, Ms. Chair. Okay, so I would like to give the update from website campaign MI3. So the update is start from awareness funnel. I already give the analytic screenshot last week compared to previous time. So the insight is I see that page view from organic traffic is dropped 30%, and the page view from Instagram is increased 135%. So the next is action that I have been taken is I put keywords Bukit Vista and Bali Villa Management on alternative text on every illustration on our package section and what will you get section. And the next action I will use our service on Instagram story format to gain more page view on Instagram from Instagram. Next is on the conversion funnel. I just did a mirror adjustments on Strikingly. Move up the free consultation section to under video introduction. So previously, free consultation is on the middle page, but I try to move it up under the video introduction. And then based on Aldo report, siapa namanya? The leads from Clue, she said that sorry, from Olivia Pilaviska, she said that she need a transparent stuff from our service, so I add the transparency report for the solution, and the last is equate font size on every subtitle. So on the bottom funnel, we released last week. 2 converted to meetings and 1 converted to long-term partnership. So perhaps Aldo or Wayana, if you it is the data correct, please give your response, or if not correct, please give your response. Yeah, I think it's just that. Back to Ms. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani. Like question or regarding this, or atau Mas Rizal?
Potential long partnership. I remember Nicole, and can you mention the other one?
Flo Pupa.
Yep.
So yeah, I met her. And
Just
the other one,
one.
just
Dari web cuma satu. Bener kan Aldo?
From
Oh,
Pererenan,
okay.
no? From
Pererenan.
From Pererenan is
Ya Aldo.
the name's Hans. So he's
Uh.
currently in contact with Bu Putu, ya, Mo ya, yang in charge of the text. So when I follow up last week, he said that he hasn't followed up to Putu because he's on holiday back then. And for Chloe, I think Moana already come to to her villa and agreed to use our service from March ya, Mo ya. Start from March ya.
March.
Yeah, March ya. Yep. And
But all the paper is haven't decided yet. What you call like he haven't signed anything yet. At until today because she told me to come back after New Year.
See.
Because I at the moment the strategy it was instead of waiting until March. So basically I asked the photo that she has and then we can like market it like maybe a month before March, like even in start in January middle and then market it available for March like that. So that basically we give her a good impression and then see I believe if we can like give like booking in advance monthly, but I already set expectation price per monthly in the area is between 10 to 12 million and then she's okay with like around 12 million and yeah that's what I told her. So basically for engagement while we are basically for her villa ready.
I see. Interesting.
Miss Chair, I want to ask something regarding this.
All right, go ahead, Mas
Yep.
Rizal.
Yeah. So, from my understanding, is there is still zero long-term partnership, yeah, from this campaign for Mas Gani.
Yes. So on the last Mak Waina said before, the Chloe is still menuju long term partnership, right? But we still still progressing to menuju satu ya nggak sih? Aldo perhaps.
I think we call it partnership when there's a signed agreement. Maybe still zero.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
still zero. I see. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mo.
Mas Gani, I want to ask question. The one, the three leads itself is included the one in Jogja, nggak Mas? Okay.
Yeah.
And
So 3 is Go ahead, Aldo.
yep. And what I want to ask is that so on the manage my property, we also have the CTA WhatsApp us that directed to my WhatsApp, right? Is that
Yeah.
is it will be counted also on the funnel, or we could just what we count is from the lead sign up only? Because there's people that WhatsApp me but I when I see the on the lead sign up, they haven't signed up yet on the form.
Yeah. Okay. Good question, Aldo. So we will count it as lead sign up if they everyone who contact you is more interested. I mean have a more keinginan lebih untuk bekerja sama kita. Kalau cuma inquiry tanya-tanya doang, I don't think it's leads. I open for discussion perhaps.
Maybe we can put it on the DM
I see.
marketing apa namanya?
Okay.
Paper, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, okay. So I guess that's all for website campaign. Moving on to the MY1 for the revenue management campaign, and I would like to give the floor to Grace.
Okay, thank you, Miss Chair. For Discord, basically, I'm still waiting for inquiry count from HAR, so I will update it later until I get the information.
All right. Okay. I guess that's that done for the Trello board, and we can move on to the digital discussion management paper.
Okay, let me help to share screen. Okay, oops. Stop. Stop share screen. Wait. Chrome tab. Sorry, guys. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Mas
Okay.
Rizal. Should we, I guess, do the just this one is the inquiry, or can we move on to the Mas Rizal one with the Villa Dion case? Mas Rizal, what do you think?
Okay, I have another important thread to discuss with you guys. So this is basically I will start from my side first from uh, digital marketing strategy in 2021. So I believe I already have pairing with you all, but except Rahma, I have meeting with one-on-one with Rahma, but basically for all members I already did. Um, I just want to open a discussion, like what is your opinion regarding the strategy from the it is like still apakah kalian masih keberatan dengan task yang aku discuss sebelumnya atau masih pengen kayak ini kurang penting gitu loh strateginya tuh. Okay, that's for me. Back to Miss Chair for lead the discussion.
All right, thank you, Mas Rizal. Could you maybe open the digital marketing strategy in 2021
Yeah.
so we could maybe see?
Yes.
All right. From the Airbnb prioritized channel for Mas Rizal again, maybe Mas Gani and Kak Aldo have anything to add?
Or maybe Mas Rizal, so the strategy that we have discussed before is the same in here, or there's some changes?
Oh yeah.
Maybe if there's some changes, you could present it first.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Thank you, Aldo. Yep. I want to represent it again. So this is my proposal to marketing member. Basically, this is digital marketing only. So from the BD side, I don't still have any idea for now, but I will work on that also. But I will start on DM strategy first. This is basically we have prioritized channel. So I will change the the term. So previously we have prioritized channel and then low prioritized channel and then internship campaign. Sorry, it's not channel, but it is campaign. And then I changed to prioritize channel. So we have 4 channel that we want to prioritize. The first one is Airbnb, and the second is Instagram. The third is website for manage my property, and then the fourth is website for booking page. So this is basically like the partner side and from the revenue side. So it is the 2 audience from this strategy. And I will start explain from the Airbnb first. So I break down the Airbnb part into 3 campaign. Basically, the first one is instant book rate for all listing, which the PIC is Gani, and then the updated listing it is it will improve the review rate, and the PIC will be Aldo, and the third one is instant book rate after launch. It is for the new listing. The PIC will be me. So the metric will that if you can read it, and then I also put the input and also output to help create the KPI of each campaign. And then the second one is Instagram, which is it's only have one stage. It is the PIC will be Gani, and the metric input and also output is also there. And then from the website manage my property, it will the campaign manager will be Aldo, but it is I break down into three part. The first part is awareness, and then consideration for the GA, and also consideration for UI UX. This is basically like the funnel stage. So the PIC here, it is like a funnel manager basically. And I will move to the for the last part from the prioritize channel. The first part is it is same awareness at the top, and then the consideration for pricing, basically the pricing, and from the apa namanya, GA insight. And then for the last part is consideration for UI and UX. Yeah, I think just that from the prioritize channel. But I will open for discussion first from the prioritize channel. Is there anyone have a questions or opinion?
I just have question
Yep.
actually.
Yep, Mawayan.
I see that Instagram is there, like, what happened to Facebook?
Okay, thank you, Mawayan. So it is prioritize channel. So the prioritize channel is channel that already running and already optimized. So we already have Instagram that already running from the engagement side. But from this side is we prefer on partner side instead of guest side. But we still also are working on the engagement from the both target audience, the guest and the property partner. And for the answering Mokoyana question, we already have Facebook here. It is from the new channel. Why I put in the new channel? Because this channel is not optimized yet, and we running at the next month. So we want to have expectation that in the new channel is we not apa namanya, expect too much the performance, but because this is new, right? And from the prioritize channel, we expect that the channel is running well because we already run it before. For Tomaya, is that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. Over to everyone. Is there any have another question regarding prioritize channel? Yep, Mas Gani.
Okay, my question is, I think on the, especially on the output on every channel. So I mean the goal of each channel, it's supposed to be on partnership or on revenue. So I think that part is not not pretty clear. For example, like on Instagram, I
Yeah.
just heard from you before that Instagram, okay, it will the output is profile visit and engagement, but what is the big goal in the future? Is it for this
Yep.
apa namanya, revenue funnel or partnership funnel?
Okay. So this yeah, thank you, Mas Gani, for the question. This is so our end goal basically have two partnership in 1 month, right? But if we so my perspective will be like all of this channel will contribute impression to leads. So the only final result is only leads because it is only awareness part. But from the next funnel will be leads convert to meeting, which is it is from BD part. So it is not from the output is not from this digital marketing side basically. So the output only like profile visit and number of engagement. And then the next question is that your Instagram campaign from engagement can result a leads basically. So the final result will be leads, not partnership or revenue. Like the guest side, we cannot we cannot set the output into revenue because the reservation part will be HAR control. It is not our control. Yeah, that's from me. If that makes sense, Mas Gani. Okay, over to everyone. Is there any have another question? Okay, okay. If there's none, I will move to the next channel. It is new channel. So we have 3 new channel for the next month or next year. We have Facebook. The campaign manager will be Lila. So she will work on basically she still work on the posting strategy, and the metric will be that, and the output will be that also. And next is Google My Business. It is new also. So why I propose Google My Business, because it is connected with Google Maps and also connected with offline side. So Google My Business have a phone call, right, and also have a direction request. So everyone that prospect or interest with Bukit Vista can visit office using Google My Business feature. And the PIC will be Rahma. The input and output is also there. And then from the last part is community optimization, which is championed by Grace. Later, it is contain our partner page, which is a testimonial page, and also community expert, which is educational page. And I also break down the channel into 3 stages, which is awareness, consideration for Google Analytics Insight, and also UI UX. The PIC also there. I need Grace, Rahma, and also Aldo working on that. And yeah, I think just that from the new channel explanation. Offer to everyone. Is there any have a question or opinion? Nope. Nope. Okay. I will move to the last channel, which is paid channel. So it is like we want to optimize the paid platform. Basically, it is the biggest platform is right now is Facebook and also Google. And from the Facebook ads, as well as discuss, we have a discussion before. We will run it not per week or per 10 days, but we will run long term, like 1 month or 2 months. And the PIC will be Gani for the campaign manager on Facebook ads. The stages will we have 2 stage, which is ad set and also content. The PIC will be Gani for the ad set and Lila for the content for the funnel manager. And the input and output is already there also. And for the next is Google Ads. It will the champion manager will be Aljo. We have to funnel or stages. It is keyword planning and also AdWords setting. And basically for the paid channel, I still um, I will have discussion regarding budgeting from Jing, because we will optimize it so it will have bigger budget rather than previous, but our output or our result will be much on the ROI atau ROS, return on advertising spend previous. So yeah, because previously we still learning, right? So it is trial and error. But for the next year is, I believe we already have the experience and also have the knowledge. So I will expect it will be more on the ROI side rather than apa namanya experimenting. Yeah,
Yep, maybe over to Miss Chair for so Mas Rizal already explained the proposal. Maybe back to Miss Chair to
Okay. I'm sorry because Mas Rizal is kind of frozen on my side, so I couldn't hear the last bit. All right. So if we're done with uh the strategy for 2021, maybe we could move on to the other research thread.
Tes, can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Sorry. Oke, sampai mana tadi? Sama Pay Channel ya?
Or that, yeah.
Okay, I will share my screen again. Wait. Okay, pardon me because the connection is not stable here. Okay, I will continue to. Okay, my next action will be KPI crafting. So from KPI crafting is I will set the end result first, which is the deal, meeting, and leads. So from this end result, we will break down it into awareness or impression in every channel, which is offline canvassing, online canvassing, and also other DM channel, website, and then Google My Business and Facebook and also Instagram. So that's for my next action after we already have assigned the new campaign champion. Yeah, I think just that. Back to Miss Chair for the next discussion.
All right, okay, because I think we're running out of time as well. We could maybe wrap this strategy up and move back to the research
Yep.
thread on the management paper.
Okay, discussion management. Okay.
Okay. Maybe we could discuss about the gain awareness for partnership purpose. Again, I guess
Okay.
back again to Mas Rizal
Okay,
to
okay.
expand
Thank
the
you,
question.
Leila. Okay, it will be short for my explanation. It is related to the previous thread, basically, new leads from Jogja. So this lead is know us, know us or have impression with us from Airbnb. So I also have discussion with Gani previously. We want to put information in our Airbnb, which is from profile or in our listing to put Instagram Bukit Vista, because at Bukit Vista is very easy to remind and also easy to read and also easy to search. So I will ask the discussion or opinion in which better put the information of our Instagram to our listing or Airbnb profile. But first, from Airbnb listing part, it is our listing is have big viewers basically. It is like 10,000 people that saw our listing every day. But from Airbnb profile, we cannot see how many people that see our profile every day. But yeah, I will open for discussion in which platform or dua-duanya buat kita cantumin informasi Bukit Vista. Back to Miss Chair.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Mas Rizal. Does anyone have any question or I guess anything about this particular? Okay, Mas Aldo, Kak Aldo, the floor is yours.
Yep. I think I will agree with Mas Gani to put it on Airbnb profile because no need to put on listing one by one, and also the profile description is also attached on listing, right? So either way, the user can see our listing, our Airbnb profile, and yep, I think that will be from me. Back to Miss Chair.
Sorry, Kak Aldo got cut off before, or is that just my internet.
Sorry, crashing ya?
Hello.
Yep, basically I
All
detail
good kok dari aku audionya.
Okay. Okay. Is there any other concern, or can we just or conclusion?
Mungkin kita tanyain satu-satu dulu lah. Jadi ke Rahma mungkin gimana tanggapanmu kalau kita cantumin at Bukit Vista buat dapetin partnership, apakah itu bagus di listingnya atau di profilnya atau dua-duanya? What do you think, Rahma?
Oke. Menurut aku mendingan di Airbnb profilnya sih, karena kalau misalnya naruh di Airbnb listing satu-satu kayaknya butuh waktu yang lama juga ya untuk naruh di listing satu-satunya. Terus karena di listing kita tuh juga udah banyak information, jadi takutnya malah ketutup sama information-nya gitu. Jadi mendingan di profilnya sekalian aja, karena juga benar kata Kak Aldo, ujung-ujungnya mereka juga bisa lihat itu hosted by siapa dan ada information-nya di bawahnya juga kan. Jadi menurut aku mendingan di profile aja.
Oke, thank you Rahma. Tapi question kalau dari aku, kalau seumpama kita taruh di listing yang paling bagus aja, maksudnya listing yang paling banyak viewersnya aja gimana? Maksudnya 5 listing yang paling banyak viewersnya kita kasih at Bukit Vista to join to be our partner, kayak gitu. What do you think, Rahma?
Sebenarnya bisa aja, tapi nggak seragam gitu kali ya sama yang lain. Tapi it could be one way.
Oke, mungkin lanjut dulu ke Grace mungkin. What do you think, Grace?
Kalau aku setuju yang di profile itu, karena kan people will keep scrolling kalau misalnya mau kontak host juga kan, jadi dia mau nggak mau pasti ngelewatin profile itu. Terus kalau misal yang barusan Kak Rizal tanya what about put it in the 5 most viewed listings, maybe we can try an MVP for that, like comparing it with the one we put at profile and see which one works better.
I see. Okay. Back to Ms. Chair, maybe for the another discussion or conclusion, Ms. Chair.
Hello? Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. My internet is a little bit, laggy at the moment. Okay. I guess for the conclusion for this part is that the awareness would be put on Airbnb profile, because I think everyone already agree that it would be better and more effective rather than putting it in all the listing. So I guess we could move on after that from that one. Should we discuss about the one that was just recently discussed, the one that Kak Aldo asked about, the website inquiry partnership at the very top, or should we put that on for later? Because no one has discussed it yet.
It's back to you, Mr. because you're sharing right now.
Yeah. All right. Yes, Mas Gani.
Okay, I still have a question on the previous thread at the Bukit Vista Instagram on the Airbnb profile. My question is, who will in charge to do the action and when we can start? So
Okay,
we
I will assign to help for this. So yeah, I will already done later the next action. But to Mr.
All right. Thank you, Mas Gani and Mas Rizal. So
Question.
all right.
I just wondering, like, if we put like our IG in profile, do you think Airbnb okay with that?
In our profile, I think so, Mo, because it is very apa namanya? It is very general apa you can like, it is like YouTube. You can find us in Twitter or Instagram, and it is like basically like other platform. But from the listing, I believe it's hard to put another information like WhatsApp or Instagram in the listing part, because it is for the transaction or the booking side, right? But for the profile, I believe it is still okay because it's only for information only.
Yeah,
But
because
yeah, I will
keep eye on it. Because we don't want like get
yeah,
banned or putting something. Yeah.
I will also ask to Joy. It is still okay to put Instagram in our.
To just make it safe, because
Yeah. Thank you.
welcome.
All right. Thank you, Moyana and Mas Rizal. I saw Mas Gani have a question before. Yeah, to you, Mas Gani.
Okay, so for answering the more question, I think as long as we not put the entire link, jadi kalau misal IG itu disingkat IG gitu aja, jangan Instagram gitu. Nah, IG @Bukit Vista, I think it's still okay. Kayaknya gitu sih.
Okay. Yeah, just double check with itu. I don't know if they have a law for this for the host, like because we value our profile a lot. We don't want like do like side thing that is small and then cost us a lot of things. So yeah, I suggest Rizal to double check.
All right. Thank you, Moyana. Does that like for that one particular, is that clear? Can we move on to the next thread?
Okay, let's
Hello?
continue, Lila.
Sorry. Was I cut off?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Now it's okay. You have 7 minutes left.
All right. Okay. Okay. For the, hold on. Can we maybe scroll down a bit? Okay. So should we discuss about the
Tes, Lila?
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Was I cut off? Sorry. Hello? Hello?
Yes, we are here. Continue,
Okay.
please.
Yes, so sorry, I think I got caught up again. So maybe we could move to the Villa Dion case. If the Mas Rizal could maybe expand the question.
Okay, from the Villa Dion case. So, okay, it is related to Villa Chloe. So, I just want to apa namanya? Jadi balik lagi ke Villa Dion. Jadi di pertamanya Villa Dion tuh interest buat join as exclusive partnership. Tapi di tengah jalan kita kasih pivot buat temporary partnership dulu, buat dapat transaction dulu. Tapi pada akhirnya kayak Bu Dion tuh nggak mau buat exclusive partnership. Nah, takutnya nanti di Villa Chloe case-nya sama. Apakah kita masih temporary dulu di awal, maksudnya buat proof the transaction, or langsung ke exclusive partnership tanpa harus ada transaction di awal dulu. Jadi kayak ini aja sih, tidak mengulangi case yang dulu aja. Open for discussion, maybe to Mbak Wayana for the talks.
Okay. I think for Dion MVP, we can say it's fail because in the beginning, I don't agree that they are looking for someone to manage their place through websites, correct? Is it website, Facebook? Where does it came from?
Website.
Website mo.
Yeah. And then that time the owner, actually I approached her first, and then she cannot decide. Basically, she cannot commit to partnership with us. And then okay, there was an idea to be proof that we can do it. Even then, until today we cannot convert her into like long term. So yeah, learn from, I don't know is it called a mistake or like something that we should continue doing, or like pivoted to, like for example like Chloe. It was the same strategy. Thank you for Rizal reminding for this case. This one is fail MVP. But I think if the owner want to sign the contract early without the pillar ready, I'm okay as well with that. Yeah.
Yeah, I also think that we have to secure first the partnership deal. So I just want to have the contract signed first because we have proof market situation, right? And at the Uluwatu, it is like Villa Flamboyant, we already get booked, and also Villa Blumaya, we also have a book. So it is still safe to have. I believe we still have transaction in the future for. Okay, I think just that. Is there anyone have a opinion or question regarding this thread?
It's clear from me. So the next action, instead of asking for what you call tempers. So if the pillar ready, I will ask to sign the contract first, and then we do something.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, back to Miss Chair.
All right. Thank you, Moana and Mas. I guess because it's already 10:59, we're already kind of have to wrap it up and for today's Scrum meeting. And thank you everyone for attending and all that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you Lila. Okay. Aduh, stop recording dulu.
Ini kayak N-nya kayak awkward gitu loh.
Iya, aku nggak nangkep. Aduh, putus-putus tadi. Ada ngomong apa, aku bingung nulis apa. Tolong.
Pada bingung semua ini kayak ayam gila. Mamanya aja.
Aduh, di